Namaskar, this is Sweetie. Hope you are all doing well. With the ongoing rainy season and beautiful weather, I have set a monthly goal to organize or clean one space in my home that I have been neglecting. Last month it was my wardrobe, and now I have taken up the challenge of cleaning my refrigerator. We'll present this video in 3 parts: how I organize the fridge, then vegetable section and the deep freeze section. This is my 3-star LG double door refrigerator, which is frost free. Gross volume is 308 liters and storage volume is 283 liters, which is reasonably big and spacious for us. Here you can see that I have deep cleaned my refrigerator. This is the fridge mat which I am going to set on the shelves of the fridge to keep it clean. There are total 5 shelves in the refrigerator. I want to show you in details that what I am going to keep in my refrigerator. क्योंकि फ्रिज में आइटम्स रखने के बाद आपको समझने में दिक्कत ना हो, इसलिए एक ही बार में बहुत ज़्यादा आइटम्स मैं नहीं रखती हूँ, इससे क्लटर क्रिएट होता है. This is soft drinks, some cakes which we used to take it at evening with tea or hot coffee. These are some extra soft drinks for guests. These are pan masala like soft, some extra cookies, and a small packet of curd which I used to make it at home. And this is char magaj, and these are butters. These are Vicks and cough relief toffees, and the water which is mixed with vinegar which helps to prevent bad odor in the fridge. Next, come to this side. These are onion, tomatoes, chilies and soya sauce. These are some ketchups like tomatoes, Szechuan, mayo, etc. These are some bottles filled with water. And these are my lipsticks and kajal which I used to keep it at my refrigerator. These are eggs. These are liquid jaggery which I used to make kheer and all. These are ginger. This is solid jaggery and इस container में online food आया था, तो I kept it and use it as an organizer to keep veggies or jaggery. It's quite helpful. In this box I used to keep some veggies also. This is मसूर दाल and मूंग दाल. फ्रिज में रखने से इसमें कीड़ा नहीं लगते और ये लंबे समय तक फ्रेश रहते हैं. And these are almonds. This is cashew and some extra soya sauce, vinegar and chili sauce. This is also liquid jaggery. This is poppy seeds जो कि एकदम ख़त्म होने को आए हैं. This is homemade ginger garlic paste और ये कंटेनर भी मैं फेंकती नहीं हूँ. इसके अंदर जैगरी और जिंगर गार्लिक पेस्ट वगैरह मैं रख लेती हूँ. And this is my leftover sabji and milk. I would like to tell you that every homes have their individual needs. Some families are big and some families are small. I have organized this refrigerator as per my needs. You can also organize your fridge as per your requirements. Here I have shared an idea about refrigerator organization so that you can also make your fridge functional like this. On the top of the shelves I have kept my lipsticks so that it can be accessed easily, and butters, curd and toffees. On the second shelves I have kept these cakes, cashew, almonds, liquid jaggery, etc. On the third shelves I have kept these soft drinks, मूंग and मसूर दाल container and a white box जिसके अंदर solid jaggery रखा हुआ है. एंड उसके बाद भी काफ़ी स्पेस है. एक्स्ट्रा अगर मुझे कोई आइटम्स रखना हो तो मैं रख पाऊंगी. Moving on to the 4 shelves where I have kept my solid jaggery box and a veggies box, leftover sabji and milk and a cut piece of lemon which also helps to prevent the bad odor in the fridge. And lastly on the 5th shelves I have kept some veggies boxes and a box of eggs and the box of ginger garlic paste. Coming to the door section where on the top I have kept pan masala, almonds, my kajals, eggs and vaselines. Below that I have kept the ketchups, some bottles of sauces and water bottles. On the next shelves I have kept vinegar, chili, tomato, soya sauces, water bottles and a soft drinks. Let's move on to my vegetable section. This is the veg tray which is quite large and spacious enough. Now come to this organizer box which is transparent and rectangular in shape. इसके अंदर एक जाली टाइप्स दी गई है which will help to settle down the excess water. Here I am keeping a paper napkin in the box and then store my veggies one by one. मिर्ची की जो डंडी है उसे मैं पहले रिमूव कर लेती हूँ. फिर उसे अच्छे से वॉश करके सुखा लेती हूँ. आफ्टर दैट स्टोर देम इन दिस बॉक्सेस. इससे सब्जी लंबे समय तक फ्रेश रहते हैं. द पेपर नैपकिन चॉइसेस इज कम्प्लीटली ऑप्शनल. इफ यू डोंट नीड यू कैन स्किप इट. The organizer is very helpful. Vegetables can be kept separately in this box. Not only that, आप इसके अंदर सब्जी को काट कर भी रख सकते हो अगले दिन के लिए. I have kept all the veggies separately in these boxes and it makes my work much easier. If you arrange the veggies in this way, your veg tray will look more organized and you will love to use them. Coming to this box now, this box can be used in this way. ये एक मिठाई की डब्बा है. I used to keep coriander leaf and lemon in this box. The organization of the vegetable part is almost done. Lastly come to this box. ये भी एक मिठाई की डब्बा है एंड मैं इसे फेंकती नहीं हूँ. इसे भी वेजी स्टोर करने के लिए ही यूज़ कर लेती हूँ. इस टाइप की बॉक्सेस की यूज़ आप लोग भी कर सकते हो बिना फेंके. Refrigerators are key appliances to preserve our precious and nutritious food. A beautiful and efficient fridge at home can add wonders to the food prep and storage routines. This fridge is reasonably big and spacious for us. Many of you must be wondering that why does it need any kind of organization? Well, I'd like to tell you that big space doesn't mean organized space unless you make it. It only means good amount of space to play with. With organizations, things are easy to access, efficient and beautiful. This is the another organizer to keep your eggs safe in the refrigerator. Here you can keep 24 eggs at a time. The eggs are easily fitted in this organizer. If you arrange the eggs in this way, it will look more functional. Let's move on to my deep fridge section. In the deep fridge, I'm going to keep this ice cream. Next, you may keep your frozen chicken and fish in this organizer. An organized fridge not only speeds up your cooking, but also helps you access your veggies and non-veggies with ease. On the top shelves, I have arranged ice creams and non-veggies items. Below that, a cut piece of lemon and a white box of frozen chicken. And this is an ice tray which we can twist this part and collect ice. Next, come to the door of the deep freeze, where I have kept all the spices in these shelves. Here I have kept some ice gel pack. घर में अगर by chance किसी को चोट लग जाए तो चोट पर ये देने के लिए. It's a must-have item that we should keep in our refrigerator. फ्रिज तो ऑर्गेनाइज हो चुका है. नाउ कम टू द साइड पार्ट ऑफ द रेफ्रिजरेटर वेयर आई स्टिक अ सेल्फ एडहेसिव हुक्स वेयर यू मे हैंग कैरी बैग्स, हैंड टॉवल एटसेट्रा. बट मेरी इन सब की रिक्वायरमेंट्स यहाँ नहीं है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू हैंग दिस ब्यूटिफुल वॉल डेकोर कोट्स विच गिव्स अ वेरी पॉजिटिव वाइब्स टू अस. Similarly, come to another side of the refrigerator where I am going to hang another wall decor quotes. Let's come and have a final look of my organized refrigerator.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say